Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Kate here and I'm back with another tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create Apple ID on Android. So without further ado, let's start. So if you have an Android device, first of all, you have to open a browser. Here I'm going with Google Chrome. After that, on your URL, type appleid.apple.com and search for it. Now you will be directed to this page. Again, at the top right hand side of your screen, you will see drop down arrow just near Apple ID. Tap on there. Now again you have to tap on create your Apple ID option. Now in here you have to provide your first name, your last name, your country, your date of birth, your Gmail which will be used as your new Apple ID, create a password, confirm your password, provide your country, your phone number. So here I'm gonna fill up this form. Now once you're done filling your form, you have to type this character for your verification. So type the character that you see above that box, then tap on continue. Now a code has been sent to your email address, so check your email, go back to email and look for the code. Here you will have in your email code. Once you get your code, type the code and again tap on next. After that you will again receive a verification code to your number, so check your message and type the number here. After that again tap on next. So in this way you have successfully created an Apple account and you are logged into your Apple ID. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. And thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.